Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Today we'll be doing the project unboxing of the residential project Joy Village Sensorium, a project by Shapurji Palanji Group which is located in Hinjewadi, Pune. In this video we will be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, master plan, carpet area analysis, unit plan, floor plan, position and pros and cons of the project. But before starting, do you know that what is Housey? So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform जहां अगर आप एक इंक्वायरी कर लो तो आपका कॉन्टेक्ट शेयर हो जाता है मल्टीपल ब्रोकर्स के साथ, बट हम हाउसी में आपको कनेक्ट कर रहे हैं डायरेक्टली बिल्डर्स के साथ, क्योंकि हाउसी में लिस्टिंग करते सीधे डेवलपर्स एंड नॉट द ब्रोकर्स। तो फिर यहाँ वहाँ क्यों जाना, डायरेक्टली बुक योर ड्रीम होम विद बिल्डर्स ऑन हाउसी। So let's start with the project overview. This project will be constructed on total 10.5 acres of land parcel consisting of 9 towers जिसमें आपको मिलेगा 1 basement ground plus podium plus 22 floors with 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residencies. Now let's discuss the location part. This project is located off Hinjewadi Phase 1 Man Road in Hinjewadi, Pune with Infosys Circle is just 1.2 kilometers away. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Chowk is 3 kilometers away and Mumbai-Bangalore Highway is 4 kilometers away from the project. Now let's check the amenities. First is internal amenities. So all the apartments are unfurnished with branded fittings and fixtures like vitrified tiles, modular electric switches, stainless steel sink, intercom facilities, CCTV cameras and many more. Now let's discuss the external amenities. So ये project में आपको मिलेगा 30 plus luxurious amenities like of badminton court, swimming pool, kids play area, gymnasium, multi-purpose pool, garden area and many more.
Now let's do the master plan and carpet area analysis. This is the master plan of Joy Village Sensorium. As you can see in the image, Joy Village Sensorium consists of 9 towers that are launched phase-wise. Tower 1, 2, 3 and Tower 4 launched in phase 1. Tower 5, 6 and Tower 7 launched in phase 2. And Tower 8 and 9 launched in phase 3. So all the towers are launched for now. Now let's have a look at some of the floor plans. Here you can see this is a typical floor plan of towers, having 6 flats, 3 lifts, 2 staircases per floor, 4 flats of 2 BHK and 2 flats of 3 BHK residencies. Here all the towers floor plan is same as above. Let's now have a look at some of the unit plan. This is the unit plan of 2 BHK, that is 697 and 783 square feet. This is the unit plan of 3 BHK, 973 and 978 square feet.
Now let me tell you about the parking in this project. So यहाँ पे आपको 2 types की car parking मिलेगी. Like first is podium level and the ground level parking. Now let me tell you about the position. So ये project में phase 1 का position already मिल चुका है and the residencies are residing over there. Phase 2 and phase 3 का position आपको target position मिलेगा by June 2026 and the RERA position is December 2026. Now the most interesting part, that is the pros and cons of the project. First let's discuss the pros of the project. So as per connectivity, ये project आपको easily हिंजेवाड़ी phase 1 and phase 2 से connect करता है. The developer brand value is very good because they use their own material in construction and they have the legacy of 150 plus years worldwide. Now the most awaited part, that is the cons of the project. So यहाँ पे आपको थोड़ा transportation का issue आ सकता है because the area is yet to develop and it will take little bit of time to develop this area. And आपको यहाँ पे carpet area में थोड़ा सा compromise करने पड़ सकता है because they have a smaller carpet areas as compared to other projects in this vicinity. So everyone, this was the project unboxing of the residential project that is Joy Village Sensorium located in Hinjewadi, Pune by Shapurji Palanji Real Estate.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project unboxing videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.